Welcome to Vintage Photos. Step back in time with me into a world of vintage photographs. From the streets of 1800s New York to the festivals, wars, and celebrations of the 1900s, every picture tells a forgotten story. Celebrities, bridges, parades, and everyday moments that shaped history. Subscribe, and let's bring the past back to life, one photo at a time. In this episode, you will find out lost vintage pictures of veteran of Civil War. Civil War veterans and spectators at the 1938. Flag rests at half-staff at Shelton City Hall in 1972 on Veterans Day. Historic black and white image of soldiers saluting the American flag at a small-town Veterans Day. Historic image of veteran families at remembrance ceremony. Historic image of veterans honoring fallen at grave sites. Historic image of veterans in full uniform during World War II on Veterans Day. Old vintage photograph of veteran reunion on Veterans Day. Rare image of veterans saluting at dawn service. Veteran Day special image of veterans saluting flag during parade. Unseen Veterans Day cemetery wreath laying image. Memorial Veterans Day reenactment event vintage photo. Old photo of veterans and band in Veterans Day parade. Civil War time picture of children placing flags on veterans' graves. Old photograph of veterans in World War II, uniforms and formation. Photos of veterans marching on Veterans Day Street. Tanks, flags, veterans, soldiers standing at attention in street parade, United States of America. Veterans Day Remembrance Service at War Memorial photo. Rutherford County's Confederate Guardian of Peace Monument. Vintage black and white photo of veterans in uniform during parade. Vintage image of memorial wreaths placed on Veterans Day. Veteran war medals laid at Memorial Stone from 1914 to 1919. Vintage image of veterans and families at memorial ceremony. Veterans marching with flags and banners on Veteran Day, United States of America. Vintage photograph showing proud World War II veterans marching through the streets during a 1940s Veterans Day parade. Special portrait of a decorated war veteran holding medals. Old portrait of military veteran. Veterans Day parade photograph from 1940s. Kids waving flag during the parade. Veterans gathering in memorial ceremony photograph 1950s classic Veteran Day memory.